So I can get 2 mouthwatering cheeseburgers for $2.22, or I can sink my teeth into 2 meaty double cheeseburgers for $3.33? They're both such great deals. I mean, which one should I get? The singles? Doubles? Singles? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Prepare to be torn. The cheeseburger lovers deal at DQ. 2 cheeseburgers for $2.22 or 2 double cheeseburgers for $3.33. Do 'em. And cool off with a mint Oreo Blizzard treat.